Hey guys, trying to grow your YouTube channel? I'm going to give you some motivation. I'm going to give you some inspiration. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I'm doing around 200 subs per month. You can too. Let's get into the video. Hey guys, thanks for tuning into your review channel. This video is all about subscribership. So if you're trying to grow your YouTube channel and you're trying to get more subscribers, I don't want you to give up. I want you to keep trying, keep going, and keep moving. This is a motivational speech, okay? I've been on YouTube not very long, and I've received 1,000 subscribers. I'm at 1,500 subscribers now, so I don't want you to give up. I want you to keep creating content. That's the secret. Stay focused. Keep creating content. So you can see my channel here. It's a basic channel, nothing crazy. I do reviews. Take a look at all my reviews. And just you can do reviews. You can do anything you want. Don't be afraid. Don't get disgusted. I've wanted to give up many, many times. This is my inspirational speech to you. Do not give up. If you love working on YouTube and if you love creating content, keep doing it. You can keep growing your channel. Keep creating content. That's the secret. There is no shortcut to making videos. There's no shortcut to making content. Just keep focused. Keep doing what you're doing. Stay on trend. Just keep working at it. That's really what it is. This is really just a pep talk because you know what? I've wanted to give up many, many times, and I wanted to just give you some inspiration and give you some motivation because honestly, you can give up real easy. Trying to get to 1,000 subscribers, and it's just sometimes really, really hard. And like many times I wanted to quit. So now I'm averaging around 200 subscribers a month here. And you can see here my views. So my subscribership in the last 30 days is 200. And that's not crazy, right? Some people are getting thousands. Some people are getting millions. It's just like crazy, right? So in the last 30 days, I got 200 subscribers. How? How did I get 200 subscribers? Simple. By constantly creating good content all the time. Create content constantly. So in the last 30 days, take a look at my stats here. Okay, how many videos have I uploaded in the last 30 days? 11. So I'm very consistent. I'm constantly making a video every few days. It doesn't have to be crazy. It doesn't have to be a big production. It just has to be something decent, good thumbnails, good keywords. Use TubeBuddy. Watch my videos on YouTube marketing. Watch my videos on how to grow your channel. Listen, I'm not an expert, right? But I want you to be inspired and I want you to have some confidence. It's not easy, but you know what? You can do it. Believe me, you can do it. If I can do it, you can do it. Anybody can do it. You just keep at it. Just keep at it. Don't stop. So in the last 30 days, 11 videos. Subscribers, again, 230 days. That's a record for me. Okay? Look at my stat here. I have 340 videos on it. Just keep plugging at it. Keep plugging at it. I wasn't worried about monetizing my channel or anything. Really, just, if you want to do a niche, do a niche. If you just want to do everything, my channel does everything. So I have no niche. I'm all over the place. And okay, so I might not get a ton of subscribers that way, but you know what? I'm getting a wider net. So I've had 561,000 views on my channel. That's my lifetime total. On the last 30 days, 64,000 views, which is pretty decent if you ask me. I mean, I'm not an expert. Far from it. I'm just giving you some motivation to let you keep doing it. Ask me any questions. Send me any comments down below. Anything that I can help you with to grow your channel. But the most important thing, keep at it. Don't quit. Most important, please. Again, so any questions? This is just a quick pep talk. A lot of people are just getting frustrated and say, oh, I only get 5 subscribers, only get 3 subscribers. And it's growing. And as it grows, it builds its own momentum. It just keeps growing and growing and growing. So don't stop. Keep creating content. Focus on what you like. It doesn't matter what it is. Just keep doing it. Don't quit. All right, guys. I want to make a quick video. Just want to tell you a little bit about, just give you some inspiration and some motivation. And that's what it's about. All right, guys. And I'll see you at the next reviews. And thanks for tuning in.